Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a review on the Bestope professional curling iron set. I have a few videos on this brand, so I will link the whole playlist down in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. The box is pretty small, to be honest. If you guys have seen my other Bestope video, then you can probably tell the sizing difference. But this is called the Professional Curling Iron Set, and the brand name is right there. So I already kind of like opened it here, but haven't fully opened it yet. So here we go. I love the fact that it has this little, what do you call it? Like a little travel thing container. It comes with a glove again, and this is like a different texture, honestly. It seems like it's good for heat, but it's not very thick. It seems kind of thin. And then comes these little clips right here. So these are pretty nice. There's two of them. So we're gonna open it like this. I love this little bag. Okay, so we have obviously the cord, super essential. We have the little wand here, and then we have the 3-barrel right here. So this is super cool. I have never tried a 3-barrel curling iron set, so super cool. It clamps like this. That is super cool. I am so excited to try these. And then we have, similar to my other Bestope video, we have this, which is more of like a curly one, but this seems a little bit thicker. But I like the shape of that. We have a super extra, oh wow, this is super thin, you guys, super thin. Oh my gosh, this is kind of like a pencil, like a thick pencil kind of thing. And then we have this one. So this one has more of that shape, thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top. The wand is pretty simple, as you can tell, super simple. It just has the on and off button. This right here seems to have a push, so when you put it in, you push it in. We'll try it. It has the plus and minus for the heat, and that's pretty much it. It looks pretty nice. The cord is not very long, like it's literally like, yeah, it's not very long. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can reach the cord from where I am right now. So we're gonna start with this thin one, and before I actually plug this in, I just want to show you guys how to actually like put it on here, because I was trying to figure it out. So this right here has little pockets on the side, as you can tell. Okay, so you're just gonna try and fit the correct shape. So just gonna try and fit the little squares here into these square shaped sides, and once you put it in, you just push it in, and that is pretty much it. It'll lock in there. To take it out is when you actually press this. So I was totally confused, but that's when you push it and then it'll come out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and plug it in. This is what my hair looks like right now. Before I start curling, I just wanna show you guys. So this is the before. Okay, so I just turned it on and it's heating up like really fast. Like you guys can see it moving. It's heating up super quickly. So it seems like it's not gonna take very long. I do want to mention that the glove feels a little bit itchy, not very comfortable, to be honest. I'm going to still use it, but this is not a glove that I would prefer to use, to be honest. But I do want to share that I am going to be using this heat protectant by OY, I believe it said. I will link this down below for you guys, but this has been my go-to recently, so this is the one that I will be using. Okay, so we're gonna start with these front pieces. I taste a little bit of the hair protectant spray because I sprayed it all over my hair. We're gonna try, let's see, we can try this one right here, since this is a very skinny wand right there. Very skinny, guys. Like, I don't even know how this is even possible. Okay. Gonna go ahead and curl it like this way away from my face. The way I curl my hair is like a whole separate video, but I can do that if you guys want to. But just gonna hold it there for about like 20 to 25 seconds, and we'll see what this ends up looking like. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so as I mentioned, the end did not really work out for me. I definitely need to curl the end more, but the curl is so cute, very, very cute. I really, really like it. Super bouncy, super nice. Really, really love it. But definitely struggle with the end right here, so gonna try and fix it. So I just like dispersed, is that what the word is? Like dispersed it, and it's like super curly. Like you can tell it's like super, super curly. But my hair is thin, so it's getting tangled a little bit at the bottom right here, but super, super pretty. So this is the next one. We are ready and heated up to 410. I picked out this piece right here. Oh, I clicked on something. Okay, I picked out this piece right here, so I'm gonna curl it again, like away from my face. And the cord doesn't go very long, so I might be turning on this side. So just to let you guys know. And then we're gonna put this one down, and it's super nice as well. Another little curl. I kind of prefer this one right here that I have right there versus this one. I feel like this is like a standard, like you can get like a single wand and do this with, but this one's more different. So that is that one. I'm gonna let it be itself. I'm not going to separate it at the moment right now. Okay, so we're going to try this one out. This is the definitely different shaped, but this is a thicker one than the one that is in the 6-in-1 curling wand. I'm gonna grab a piece from this side because I really want to save this side for the bigger barrel. I grab this and pull it away, trying to do a mix of like within the spaces in there, as you can tell. So I put it right there. Okay, so this is the one that I just did. Looks very curly. I think I could have held it. I think I could have held this one for a little bit longer maybe, but you can still see the shape pretty much. So this is the thinner wand right here, as you guys know, and this one is the wide to thinner shape, and then this one is this one right here that we just did. So those are the 3 shapes so far, and then next we're actually gonna do this one. Oh, that was loud. Next we're gonna do this one. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do this one on this side. A little scared because it has this clamp right there, as we can tell. But let's go ahead and see how this turns out. I am excited, but also a little bit, I don't know, skeptical about how this is going to turn out, and I feel like I need to grab like a thick piece because this seems like huge. So just gonna add a little bit more heat protectant. It's at 390 right now because I usually, as you guys know, I've been doing 410, but I feel like this smells like burnt already. Not a fan of the smell. So it doesn't close all the way at the top. I think because obviously I don't want to get it too close to my forehead because I don't want to burn myself. So just holding it there for a little bit. I think I'm missing this piece right here, so and then gonna clamp again. You can probably see the smoke a little bit. I feel the heat for sure. This one feels hotter than the other, but you can see a little bit of clamp there up here. I've never tried these types of ones where it's like a clamp. I personally have never. Let me know if you have or if there's one that you like. This is definitely my first time trying something like this. That's pretty much it. Like if you hold it for that long, this is what happens. I can try holding it a little bit longer. It did do the job. Like it's wavy. It's like got the wavy look. It's not curly as you can tell these are, but it's wavy. And I'm guessing you can like do it again, but my only worry is that you won't clamp in the same area and therefore it'll just look like messed up. But I guess you can kind of like try to see where, but it's harder to start at the top obviously versus you can curl at the top. higher, I feel like, because the wand is skinny, but this is thick, so you don't want to burn yourself. It's pretty much like beach waves. That's the only other way I can describe it. So finally, I want to just share with you guys if I think this is worth it and my thoughts on this based on my experience right now. So first of all, this one right here is super cute. I personally really like it. I feel like it would take me a while for me to get like this curl for like all of my hair just because I have a lot, but I really like this curl. I think it's super cute. The small curl has to be like my favorite, to be honest. And then these are more simple. They look very similar, to be honest. I don't think there needs to be like two of them, of those wands, even though one of them is more of like that circular one. The other one is shaped different. I feel like I'm getting kind of like the same effect here, so I don't think both of those are necessarily necessary. I think I can get away with one of them. And then lastly, this beachy wave kind of look with this clamp right here. I do see a difference. I definitely do see it. I do see that the clamp works. I'm getting beachy waves for sure. I just feel like this is too simple. I like the simple look, I do, but I feel like this is too simple for something that I kind of was envisioning some like more defined curls. So I feel like this could be more defined for sure, but other than that, that's pretty much all my thoughts on all of these. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair with this one so I don't completely like look totally different. Definitely stick around to see how everything will look with this. Hello, okay, I'm back. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but I did use the clamp. I'll come closer a little bit. I have some final thoughts on this. It gives me volume for sure, and you can tell the clamp like shape. Maybe not as much on camera, but I can tell like here, like in my mirror right now. Love the fact that it gives me volume. Really love that. And I even tried to do it up here, as you can tell, kind of like a waviness from up here. But I feel like this is not like a huge difference for me in terms of a curl. Like I wouldn't really try to do this very often. I wouldn't use this clamp very often just because I don't feel like there's a huge difference for this one, to be honest. I kind of liked the curl a little bit more. I just wish it was a little bit more defined. So those are my thoughts. But let me know in the comments if you think this whole set is worth it, or which of the wands was your favorite, like which one from the curling iron set was your favorite, specifically like the clamp, the skinniest one, or the other two. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really helps on my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you join us, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.